Use discount code JacobVile when you shop. What's up? You're good. Oh, nice. Well, your lithium's right here. Wow. It's a big bank. Oh, your doors are heavy. Who did the install? This is nice, man.
I did it.
Nice work. Wow. Do you know your port tuning or your specs in your box at all?
It was 2 to 33 hertz.
33?
Yeah.
You made the sub smell a little bit on that one.
Yeah.
You're putting some power to them, so. What made you put your lithium right here?
I had no space.
No space.
No space.
Yeah. It works. Get the job done, though. Wow. There we go. All right, your name and all in here, man.
Hold on, let's turn this on. My name is Cam Johnson on Facebook. I got 4 custom subs. We got Janice Audio Baskets with SPL Dean on Facebook. Rico's. This is a hard 80 amp C-Max. I have all PRV mids and highs. All PRV amps. I got 2 Levelexes on the bass.
Wow.
That's about it.
Who built this?
My man Ecker.
Nice job. You fit some cone area in this thing, and you got a really nice door pod, stop wall, everything like that.
I never played with door closers. So.
Yeah, let's try it. So what is this, like a...
Tahoe, walk outside the truck.
Oh, okay. Got it.
I got 3, I got 3 alternators. I got 2 390s and 1 270.
And how much of this lithium?
180.
180, okay.
I forgot about the damn truck being on there.
And the RMS on the subwoofer?
I don't even know. I ain't gonna lie.
Let's try it. You have to, otherwise your subs won't, they can't breathe. All right, here we go. Jeff.
That shit hurt me, yo. the harder version.
All right.
Power beast.
Let's do it. You can play one more, just lower volume.
Is that slower?
Lower volume.
No.
Just whatever you want to play, just one more.
Name. You ain't got no style, see you on my Instagram. I be rocking it like it's fresh off the bag. Only when I'm taking pics, I'm the middleman. Talking like a boss, like a slip hand. 3 main cats, call me Rain Man. Money.
Right down the middle. My girl's from Pasadena.
Thanks a lot, man.
I appreciate you showing me, man. What was your name?
Cam Johnson.
Cam Johnson. All right. Anything on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok?
That's
You
my
on
Facebook, Cam Johnson.
Cam Johnson.
Yeah.
Use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.